class, in a calculator class, we create a multiple add method that overload each other and can sum two integers, three integers, or two doubles demonstrate how each can be called with different number of parameters. So we create an calculator class. Polymorphism. First we create a package naming polymorphism. Inside this package we create a class calculated calculator. Now inside calculator we have to create a class for addition of. First we create addition of to be a public int or int a comma int b return a plus v. Then we have to create for three parameters public red int a comma int b comma int c return a plus b plus c. Similarly, we can do if we change the parameter type, then we is also known as the uh, method overloading public and now we create a double type double a comma double p, then we return a plus p. Now we create a method and call these classes. First of all, we have to create an object of this class naming calculator obj equal to new calculator, and now we can call this method as add. First of all, we add two, three, and two integers. Now we add three integers, five, six. Now we add two doubles, which about add 5.0, 9.7. Now we get the output. So in this way, polymorphism works like overloading this class is this method naming add. First of all, it has two parameters, then it has three parameters, and then two parameters of different types. So it is not a method overloading. Thank you.